Hey guys, welcome back to How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Plenty of Fish or POF account on the mobile app. So first of all, if you don't have Plenty of Fish app on your phone, you can simply download it through the App Store. You simply have to go to App Store and search for POF or Plenty of Fish, and you have to download this app. So as you can see, it's already downloaded on my phone. So I'll just go ahead and open the app. After opening the app, you will be on this interface where to log into your account, you can see an option that says already a member login on the bottom of the screen. Tap on the login option. Now in this page, you have to enter your username or email address on top and your password on bottom. And once you tap on login, you will be successfully logged into your Plenty of Fish account on the mobile app. So this is all for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for other helpful updates.